Ever felt that nagging little voice in the back of your head wondering if you're doing this whole investing thing right? You diligently set up your Acorns account, maybe even turned on roundups, and now, crickets. You're not sure when or even if you should be checking in. Sound familiar? Well, you're definitely not alone. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to set something up and then let it drift into the digital ether. But when it comes to your money, especially when it's working to grow for your future, a little bit of mindful attention can go a long way. So, the big question we're tackling today, how often should you actually check your Acorns account? Is it a daily ritual? A weekly peek? Or can you just set it and completely forget it? Let's dive into the nuances and figure out the sweet spot for you. First, let's acknowledge the beauty of Acorns. It's designed for simplicity, for those who want to invest without the overwhelming complexity often associated with the stock market. The automated roundups, the diversified portfolios built by experts, it's all about making investing accessible and, dare I say, almost effortless. This ease of use, however, can sometimes lead to a set-it-and-forget-it mentality. And while there's definitely an element of long-term growth inherent in Acorns' strategy, completely ignoring your account might not be the most optimal approach. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't just bury it and never check on it again, would you? You'd water it, make sure it's getting sunlight, and watch for any signs of growth or potential problems. Your Acorns account, while largely automated, benefits from a similar level of mindful observation. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. There isn't a one-size-fits-all answer to the how often question. The ideal frequency depends on several factors, including your personality, your financial goals, and your overall comfort level with market fluctuations. The case for checking regularly, but not obsessively. There are compelling reasons to check your Acorns account periodically. Here's why. Staying informed, even though Acorns manages the investment decisions for you, keeping an eye on your account allows you to understand how your investments are performing over time. You'll see the impact of market movements, learn about the different asset classes in your portfolio, and gain a better intuitive understanding of the investing process. This knowledge can be incredibly empowering and build your financial literacy over time. Tracking progress towards goals. If you've set specific goals within your Acorns account, like saving for a down payment or retirement, regular check-ins help you gauge whether you're on track. Seeing your progress can be highly motivating and might prompt you to adjust your contributions if needed. For instance, if you realize you're falling behind, you might consider increasing your roundups or making occasional one-time contributions. Identifying potential issues. While Acorns handles the portfolio rebalancing, there might be other account-related issues you need to address. Perhaps a linked bank account has changed, or a payment didn't go through. Regular checks can help you catch these minor hiccups before they become bigger problems. Emotional comfort. For some, especially those new to investing, seeing their money at work can provide a sense of comfort and control. While it's crucial to avoid emotional reactions to short-term market swings, a periodic review can reinforce the idea that your money is indeed growing over time. The pitfalls of checking too often. On the flip side, obsessively checking your Acorns account can be detrimental to your long-term investing success and your mental well-being. Here's why. Emotional roller coaster. The stock market is inherently volatile. Daily or even weekly fluctuations are normal and don't necessarily reflect the long-term health of your investments. Checking your account too frequently can expose you to these short-term ups and downs, leading to emotional decision-making. You might be tempted to sell when the market dips, locking in losses and derailing your long-term strategy. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Wasted time and energy. Constantly monitoring your account can become a time-consuming habit that offers little real value. Acorns is designed to be a relatively hands-off investment platform. Spending excessive time checking it detracts from other important aspects of your financial life and your overall productivity. Undermining the long-term strategy. Acorns portfolios are built with a long-term perspective in mind. Frequent checks can lead to impatience and a desire to chase short-term gains, which often goes against the principles of sound long-term investing. So, what's the sweet spot? Considering both the benefits of staying informed and the risks of over-monitoring, here's a general guideline for how often you should check your Acorns account. Monthly review. A monthly check-in is often a good balance. This allows you to see meaningful progress over time without getting caught up in the daily noise of the market. During your monthly review, you can look at your overall account balance and how it has changed over the past month. Review the performance of your portfolio allocation. Ensure your linked bank account and contribution settings are still correct. Assess your progress towards your financial goals. Quarterly deep dive. Every 3 months, take a slightly more in-depth look at your account. This is a good time to review the overall market conditions and how they might be impacting your investments. Acorns often provides insights and updates. Reevaluate your risk tolerance and ensure your portfolio allocation still aligns with your comfort level and long-term goals. Consider if you need to adjust your contribution amounts based on your financial situation and progress towards your goals. Annual checkup. Once a year, take a comprehensive look at your entire financial picture, including your Acorns account. This is the time to review your long-term financial plan and ensure your Acorns investments are still integrated effectively. Consider any significant life changes, job change, marriage, birth of a child, that might necessitate adjustments to your investment strategy. Assess your overall investment performance against your long-term goals. Beyond the schedule, trigger events. While a regular schedule is helpful, there might be specific events that warrant a closer look at your Acorns account, regardless of your last check-in. Significant market events, major market downturns, or periods of high volatility might tempt you to check your account more frequently. While it's important to stay informed about broader economic trends, resist the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market noise. Remember your long-term investment horizon. Changes in your financial situation. If you experience a significant change in your income, expenses, or financial goals, it's a good time to review your Acorns contributions and overall investment strategy. Notifications from Acorns. Pay attention to any important notifications or updates from Acorns regarding your account, portfolio changes, or security alerts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.